problems for anyone with breathing issues. Take a look at this video. This is from Montreal, Canada. If you can believe it, you can hardly see the skyline. The city has the most polluted air in the world right now because of wildfires in nearly every Canadian province. The number of active wildfires, 465 across the country, and they are still burning. The worst that air quality number can be is 500. And the smoke from those wildfires, again, drifting into our part of the country. This is what it looked like in Milwaukee, Wisconsin this week. Experts say air like this is unhealthy for pretty much everybody. Wisconsin's Department of Natural Resources says at least 4 counties near Milwaukee are all in the unhealthy air quality zone.
It makes me want to just go back home and stay inside until it's safe, because you honestly don't know what you're breathing in.
One thing that's interesting for me is I don't really smell it.
The way that this air quality affects us is that these very fine particles, these smoke particles, get into our lungs, and our immune systems recognize them as foreign. And then they start to attack them, and that creates inflammation. And for a patient, that may show up as wheezing. It may show up with a little bit of shortness of breath.
And doctors say that they're encouraging everyone to use an N95 mask to filter out a lot of those smoke particles.
The Quad Cities is in that unhealthy category for air quality as well. This is a live look at the Centennial Bridge from downtown Davenport. You can barely see anything past the bridge, and normally we can see for several miles. This is a concern for anyone having to be outside today.
You barely see the bridge. Oh my goodness. It definitely is something serious we got to pay attention to. And so let's get to the latest information on those air quality concerns right here in the Quad Cities.
Meteorologist Andrew Stutzky is here with the latest on your forecast. Hi, Andrew.
Hey, good morning, guys. It's been quite a transformation going from very little smoke, at least at ground level early this morning, to now it almost looks like we're impacting the visibility like you saw there very dramatically. Let's take a look at the air quality right now, and all of us are in the unhealthy for most group. If we actually put this on the scale, it goes from 0 all the way to 500. We're at 156. That's the air quality index. So that means it's unhealthy for all. Some of the things to keep in mind to stay safe if you need to go outside today is keep those outdoor activities short. If you need to exercise, walk instead of run. That way you're inhaling less air, you're breathing less rapidly. This is especially true for people that have heart or lung disease, older adults, children, and teens. You are most at risk with this poor air quality. And yeah, just taking a little tour around the region on our hometown camera network. This is south of Rock Falls. You can see visibility is low at the airport. Even in Clinton, you can barely see the Route 30 bridge there in the distance, and satellite verifies that, yeah, there is definitely a lot of smoke. In fact, the thickest smoke in the sky anyway is still north of Interstate 80. It's right here from Maquoketa through Savannah. I would say just getting into Sterling Rock Falls, and that's all sinking to the south. So we'll expect the air quality to continue to get a little bit worse as the afternoon heads on. Temperatures today will be heading for the mid to upper 80s. So show you how long this smoke is expected to stick around, impacting our air quality, and when we're going to be back in the red zone again. Concern growing for some strong to severe storms in the near term. We'll show you the first track of that coming up.